ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies is crucial for businesses looking to thrive and succeed in the online sphere. As we step into 2023, the digital marketing landscape is set to undergo some significant transformations. From emerging technologies to evolving consumer behavior, this comprehensive guide explores the key digital marketing trends that you need to know to remain competitive and effective in the year ahead. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning continue to dominate the digital marketing landscape. In 2023, AI-powered tools and algorithms will become even more sophisticated, allowing marketers to analyze vast amounts of data, personalize content, and enhance customer experiences. Chatbots, for instance, will become more conversational and capable of handling complex customer queries, improving user engagement and satisfaction. Voice search optimization. Voice search is becoming increasingly prevalent with the proliferation of smart speakers and virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. Marketers will need to optimize their content for voice search by focusing on natural language and long-tail keywords. Creating content that answers specific voice queries will be essential to maintaining visibility in this space. Video marketing evolution. Video marketing is not a new trend, but it continues to evolve. In 2023, shorter-form video content, such as TikTok and Instagram Reels, will remain popular, but long-form video, live streaming, and interactive videos will gain traction. Businesses will need to diversify their video marketing strategies to cater to different audience preferences. Social commerce. Social media platforms are becoming more than just places for engagement, they are also becoming powerful sales channels. In 2023, expect social commerce to grow significantly. Features like Instagram Shopping and Facebook Marketplace will continue to expand, allowing businesses to sell products directly through these platforms. Content personalization. Customers today expect personalized experiences. Content personalization, driven by data and AI, will be a top priority for marketers. Tailoring content to individual preferences, behavior, and demographics will not only increase engagement but also drive conversions. Privacy and data protection. As concerns about privacy and data security continue to rise, marketers must navigate a landscape of stricter regulations and consumer expectations. Building trust with customers by being transparent about data collection and usage is crucial. Businesses should also invest in secure data management practices to protect customer information. Niche and micro-influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is evolving from working with mega celebrities to collaborating with niche and micro-influencers who have smaller, highly engaged followings. These influencers often have more authentic connections with their audiences, making their endorsements more influential and trustworthy. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. AR and VR technologies are gaining momentum in marketing. AR can be used to enhance in-store experiences through mobile apps, while VR can create immersive brand experiences. Expect to see more brands experimenting with these technologies in 2023 to engage and captivate their audiences. Content formats beyond text. Written content will remain essential, but diverse content formats like podcasts, webinars, and interactive infographics will continue to grow in popularity. Different audiences consume content in different ways, so diversifying your content strategy is essential to reach a wider audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, evolves. SEO is not static, it evolves with changes in search engine algorithms and user behavior. Voice search, mobile optimization, and the rise of zero-click searches are reshaping SEO strategies. Marketers will need to adapt and optimize their websites accordingly. Sustainability and social responsibility. Consumers are increasingly conscious of environmental and social issues. Brands that demonstrate a commitment to sustainability and social responsibility will gain a competitive edge. Incorporating sustainability into your marketing efforts, from product packaging to messaging, can resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Localized marketing. Local SEO and location-based marketing will remain critical for businesses with physical locations. Consumers often search for products and services nearby, so optimizing for local search and using geo-targeted advertising will continue to be essential for attracting local customers. Ephemeral content. Ephemeral content, like stories on Instagram and Snapchat, will continue to captivate users' attention. These short-lived, engaging posts are perfect for showcasing behind-the-scenes moments and promotions, fostering a sense of urgency among viewers. E-commerce integration. E-commerce is no longer limited to online retailers. Brick-and-mortar stores are increasingly integrating e-commerce into their strategies. Expect to see more businesses adopting buy online, pick up in-store options and utilizing technology to bridge the gap between online and offline sales. Email marketing resurgence. Email marketing, often underestimated, is making a comeback. Marketers are reimagining their email campaigns with interactive content, personalization, and automation. Email remains a cost-effective way to nurture leads and engage with existing customers. Data analytics and predictive marketing. Advanced data analytics and predictive modeling will enable marketers to make data-driven decisions with greater accuracy. Understanding customer behavior and predicting future trends will be crucial for creating effective marketing strategies. Diversity and inclusivity in marketing. Diversity and inclusivity will continue to be important themes in marketing. Brands that embrace diversity in their advertising and messaging will resonate with a broader audience and build a positive brand image. In conclusion, the digital marketing landscape in 2023 promises to be dynamic and ever-changing. Staying informed about these trends and adapting your strategies accordingly is essential for success in the digital realm. Whether you are a small business owner or a marketing professional, embracing these trends will help you connect with your audience, drive conversions, and stay ahead of the competition in the exciting world of digital marketing. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content in the future.